Number 1. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,700. It has 173,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a classic white exterior paired with a blue leather interior, offering a timeless and clean look. Originally from the Pacific Northwest, this truck has never been exposed to road salt, which means there's no rot or major rust, making it a solid example for its age. The 5.7L gasoline-powered engine runs strong and reliably. Recent maintenance includes a brand new front suspension, shocks, brakes, and tires, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. While the clear coat is peeling on the hood and roof, the overall condition is impressive for a nearly 30-year-old truck. It's a dependable daily driver with great bones and plenty of life left. Number 2. 1984 Chevrolet Silverado, price $7,800, with 69,000 miles. It features a gray exterior with a black interior and is powered by a 355 cubic inch engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include an aluminum intake, a Holley carburetor, and headers with exhaust exiting just before the rear tires, giving it a strong sound and presence on the road. The truck is equipped with dual fuel tanks, with one recently replaced, although it currently has a pickup issue. A new locker has been installed in the rear differential for improved traction, and it has new brakes all around for reliable stopping power. The air conditioning is operational but has a slow leak that may need attention in the future. Number 3. 1981 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. While the body is from a 1981 C10, it has been mounted onto a 2003 Chevy Tahoe frame, combining vintage looks with updated functionality. The red exterior is paired with a black interior, giving it a bold and timeless appearance. The truck has approximately 119,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 5.3L Vortec LS engine mated to a 4L60E automatic transmission. Thanks to the Tahoe chassis integration, it comes equipped with push-button four-wheel drive and cruise control, features rarely seen on a vehicle of this vintage. The cab has been properly welded onto the Tahoe floor pan, ensuring structural integrity and drivability. The owner has recently added a new radio, replaced the window seals, and installed a new battery to enhance comfort and reliability. While there is a check engine light related to an O2 sensor due to the exhaust setup, the truck consistently performs well. Number 4. 1981 Chevrolet C10, price $5,200. This truck is a classic pickup with 71,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a brown exterior with a tan interior. It runs on gasoline and drives well, though it may need a shift governor or modulator valve, along with a simple valve cover leak fix. Cosmetically, it has some damage. The rear light and wiring harness melted, the rear window was broken, the paint is scorched, and some plastic trim has melted. The tires are worn but hold air, and it comes with 2 good spares. All wheels are original rally rims with trim rings. The truck has some rust, but the rear bed is excellent, panels are decent, and the cab mounts have all been replaced. A solid base for restoration or a dependable classic driver with a little work. Number 5. 1993 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,000, with only 106,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a green exterior with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and features an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it's powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission and a 14-bolt full-floating rear axle with 4.10 gears. This setup makes it a true workhorse. It has hauled everything that's been put behind it without missing a beat. Mechanically, everything functions as it should, with the exception of 2 issues. The hydro boost system causes the brakes to momentarily lose pressure when turning left at full lock, though they return to normal after a few pumps of the pedal, and the emergency brake is currently non-functional. Number 6. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, well-preserved pickup, showing just 55,800 original miles. It's finished in light pewter metallic with a graphite interior, and has been garage-kept and carefully maintained its entire life. The exterior paint remains glossy with no signs of sun fade, and the headlights are crystal clear. Inside, the interior is in excellent condition, still looking as clean and fresh as it did when new. Powered by a Vortec 4.8L V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it runs and drives as smoothly as expected from a truck that's never been used for heavy work. In fact, it has never pulled a trailer. Every detail reflects the care it's received, and overall, it's a solid 9 out of 10. The only minor flaw is a small dent in the rear bumper that's hardly noticeable. This is a rare find, clean, original, and ready to be enjoyed. Number 7. 1985 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. This truck is a solid example of a classic workhorse. Showing just 105,000 miles on the odometer, it features a gray exterior paired with a red interior, giving it that classic 80s truck appeal. It's powered by a gasoline engine and comes equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission on the floor, along with a functioning 4x4 drivetrain. While the truck is in overall good shape compared to others of its age on the market, it does need some mechanical attention and a proper once-over. The current owner hasn't done much beyond driving it around the shop parking lot, so it's an ideal candidate for someone looking to restore or refresh a vintage pickup with strong potential. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It features an automatic transmission and a small block Chevy 305 engine paired with a TH700R4. Although the odometer shows 90,000 miles, the actual mileage is unknown due to occasional odometer failure. Recent upgrades include a new MSD cap and rotor, ignition coil, oil pressure sensor, fuel pump, fuel filter, spark plugs and wires, plug boots, radiator cap, valve covers with gaskets, injectors, fuel regulator, and Edelbrock intake. A new battery has also been installed. Interior updates include a new headliner, seat cover, interior trim pieces, and a new headlight switch. This Chevy blends classic style with modern upgrades and is ready to hit the road or show. Number 9. 1979 Ford F-150, price $6,000. It features a green exterior and interior, along with a 4-speed T18 manual transmission. Power comes from a Roller 302 engine out of a Fox body, equipped with a fresh B303 cam, comp lifters, trick flow pushrods, a Holley 604 barrel carb, and a Wian intake. It also has a new battery, distributor, OEM ignition module, timing chain, and water pump. The rebuilt 9 rear end includes a billet track lock and 3.50 gears from Quick Performance. Brakes were replaced a year or two ago and still function well. Although it's been repainted with some subpar bodywork, the truck is structurally sound. Cab mounts and frame are solid, but it may eventually need floor pans, cab corners, and door bottoms addressed. A strong-running, mechanically sound vintage truck with loads of potential. Number 10. 1984 Ford F-150, price $2,500. This truck is a solid, classic pickup with approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a 5.0L 90s era Mustang HO roller cam motor, paired with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission. The engine setup includes an Edelbrock air gap intake manifold and a 600 CFM carburetor, delivering strong and reliable performance. The truck features a bold red exterior and matching red interior, giving it a classic, cohesive look. It runs and drives like new, offering a smooth and responsive experience behind the wheel. While it does need a new windshield, it's otherwise in great mechanical condition.